A day in my life with your pokpokerang bayot. This is Monday at your shalang eming bayot, correct? It's a brand new day. Happy Valentine's! Already, so I am heading to Pasig Cathedral Church. It's Valentine's Day, so naisip kong magsimba. Dito ako sa Bagong Ilog, nagbo-boarding house, so malapit lang talaga sa Pasig Palengke and Pasig Simbahan. So usually, nag-jeep ako papunta. 13 pesos lang yung pamasahe, but pwede namang lakarin. Malapit lang talaga, as in, correct. So ayun nga, it's Valentine's Day, so madami talaga nagbebenta ng bulaklak. Sana all. How I wish, mga bayot. Pukpukan yung pagbebenta nila. So this is life here in Manila. Super dami din namang bumibili. Correct. Alright, so papasok na tayo sa Pasig Cathedral Church. Super laki din yung simbahan nila dito. Minsan dito ako nagsisimba, but mostly sa Marikina talaga ako nagsisimba every Sunday. Thank you so much, Lord, sa lahat ng mga biyayang binigay mo sa amin everyday, sa family ko, sa lahat-lahat. For the protection, for the guidance, at sa lahat ng mga katuparan na hiniling namin sa inyo. Thank you so much, Immaculate Conception. I am so thankful and blessed each day. Thank you, thank you. Alright, so I attended the Mass from 6:30 to 7:30. Patapos na yung Mass. Thank you so much, Immaculate Conception. So palabas na tayo, heading to my work. So papunta tayong Concentrix Mega Mall. But first, kakain muna tayo kasi gutom na ang bayot. Correct. Tumawid na ang bayot at nakasakay naman agad ng FX papuntang SM Mega Mall. Already, so dito tayo sa Family Fried Chicken. I was amazed itong kainan na to kasi nakuday. Full pack talaga ang flavor ng manok. As in, nuot sarap. Hanggang mga buto bayot. I ordered a set of meal and it's 180 pesos lang. Including na yung bestseller nila na fried chicken. Nagdalawang isip ang bayot kasi parang roast kasi yung lasa, pero dinouble check ko, it's a fried chicken pala. Kasi mga bayot, tignan nyo naman yung kulay, diba? But I was amazed talaga. Grabe, ang sarap. Talagang buto talaga yung tira, mga saswa. Correct. Alright, so done na for the dinner and then papasok na tayo. So we're here already at Concentrix Mega Mall. Thank you for calling. This is Monday. How can I assist you today? Correct. It's another set of pukpukan na naman. So lavang-lavan na naman ang bayot. So it's retouch time. Medyo maaga tayong nakarating. Confident ang bayot kahit sinabihan na sa guard na super haba ang slit mga bayot. Pero may cardigan naman ako kaya medyo natatabunan na. So all set for today. So after 4 hours of calling, it's lunchtime. Alright, so it's a Valentine's Day, so may event, yung event hall dito. So nakikimarites tayo sa mga binibenta nila. And also may mga pakulo sila, kantahan. Alright, so it's done for 8 hours of calling. Medyo mataas-taas din, no? Imagine 8 hours ka. Full English bayot. Kaya dugong-dugo ka talaga paglabas mo sa trabaho. Kasi, you know, American, they are very fluent. Thank you for watching. This is Mondayak, your shalang eming bayot. Have a good one. Bye!